Hey guys, wanted to share this quick tip about getting a live render or live 3D view render going so that you can use it for a projector or something like that if you have an exhibit going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my output and make sure that my resolution here matches the actual resolution of my display. In this case it's 2560 by 1440. Really just needs to match the aspect ratio, but that's one way to do it. Okay, so we got that. So I'm going to go up to window and I'm going to make a new window. And this window I'm just going to put on my second monitor. And I'm going to use this one to end up controlling stuff outside it. So I'm going to drag this over to my second monitor real quick. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and get this one set up to be full screen and borderless. So I'm going to go to window, toggle window full screen. So that takes away a lot of the border. And then I'm going to hover my mouse over this the 3D view. Well, actually, first I'm going to put my view into my render mode. Then I'm going to press Control Alt Space while my mouse is over the this main viewport. Hit 0 on the numpad to go into the camera view, and then press Home to center and full screen it. Cool. So at this point, let me flip over so you can see both monitors. You can see I've got my second screen over here, and I can split this view if I want to, so you can do whatever, whatever you need to do to actually control stuff. So then I can move my whatever I'm actually doing. But over here on the display, I can see that I actually have the borderless full screen, the true view that I can use to do my calibrations and whatnot. When I'm done, I can just press Control Alt Space to bring it back, and then toggle the window full screen, and then I've got myself back into a regular setup. Hey guys, just a quick tip. Talk to you guys later.